Hello there. Welcome to another video of GoDial. In this video, we will be discussing about GoDial PBX. With GoDial PBX, you can now make calls directly from your browser. You can make international calls from one country to another. You can have call recordings of all the calls that you have made and your team. Also, you can bring your own carrier, any SIP carrier, and make calls using GoDial PBX. To connect GoDial with your PBX, log into your existing account if you are an existing user and go to the GoDial PBX tab on the left hand panel. Here, select between Twilio or your custom SIP setup. If you have a Twilio account, simply click on Connect with Twilio and enter your Twilio credentials. Once you are in your Twilio account, select My First Twilio Project. Make sure you have a paid Twilio account to connect your Twilio with GoDial. Your Twilio account will get connected instantly. Now select the existing trunk to use with GoDial. Then select the contact number associated with your Twilio account. And for inbound, select the routing strategy. For now, here we will select random agent, which means when you are getting an incoming call, it will be randomly transferred to one of the agents assigned to GoDial and your Twilio account. Once your Twilio account has been connected, you can go to the CRM and make calls from there. Now, if you want to add your own SIP into GoDial, select Custom SIP Setup. Here, enter the carrier name, then select the SIP host, enter your username and password of that particular SIP connection, and then click on Save Configuration. Once this is done, click on Manage DIDs and enter the phone number you have got from your SIP carrier. Add in the description, and then for incoming call, select the routing strategy. Here, select the agent and the fallback strategy. Once again, we will select random for now, which means that any of the users available at that point of time, whenever there's an incoming call, will get the call transferred to them. And click on Add DID. To make calls, go to the CRM tab and click on Start Auto Dial. And from your list, the calls will be placed one after the other. Once the call is connected and the conversation is over, you can select a disposition and add in a note as well. You can check the reports under Reports and Analytics in the Master section, see all the details of the calls made, and also you can see and hear the call recordings.